XT62 is the latest model of the Antal XT Winch series. What is immediately evident is that the top is flat. This is achieved by having a fixed upper disc with a lower moving disc. The self-regulating disc on springs adapt to the diameter of the rope. The series of winches XT covers the entire range of self-tailing winches, from the XT16 to the XT70 for all sizes of boats. We designed this winch to have a clean exterior with innovative features inside. All the XTs are available in three versions: the standard, the raised and the chrome. The standard winch and the raised have a hard black anodized aluminum drum. However, the raised version has been adapted for competition and higher performance. The chrome version was designed for a classic look. The chrome-plated drum is highly polished and protected against the scratches. For these winches, we sought a way to minimize the wear of the rope cover. Damage to the cover is produced by friction, but the friction is greater at the bottom of the drum. For this reason, the drum has a lower zone where the knurling is not there, and in this way the sliding of the rope does not harm the cover. It is very important to maintain your winches by cleaning and lubricating them. This is something we took into consideration when designing the XT series, and they are one of the simplest winches to service on the market. All XTs can be opened by unscrewing the upper ring with the provided key. Once the upper ring is removed, the drum comes off easily. Larger models also have a highly resistant alloy toothed ground gear to guarantee the efficiency and a long life to the mechanism of the winch. Also, a ball bearing ring absorbs the vertical loads of the winch, thus reducing the friction of the inner structure. The XT race is no different on the outside when the winch is mounted. It is on the inside where the XT race differs from the standard XT. We lightened all possible parts without losing strength, and we chose the best materials to suit the needs of competitive sailing. We really tried to do something special, and the materials that have been chosen to build the XT race are the result of years of experience in hardware production. We opted for PEEK bearings, which give higher performances than the steel bearings in terms of sustainability, weight and resistance. And that's where XT race differs from the standard XT. The stem can be made of aluminium instead of steel. The bearings in PEEK slide on the aluminium stem without damage and keep the winch very competitive for its weight and its light engineering. All the aluminium parts of the XT winches are hard black anodized and Teflon coated. This protects the winch from corrosion and extends the life of the winch. The base, moreover, the stem and the skirt are obtained by computer numeric control machines. These parts do not have fusion components, thus they are stronger and more durable, coming from one solid piece of material. By removing the 4 screws on the base and the 2 half rings, one assesses the central rod and the gear section. The center rod of XT62 race works on PEEK bearings too, and it is lightened in the inside by removing excess material. The gear section of the XTR is identical to that of the standard XT, but in the raised version, all gears are lightened through process. With these insulating gaskets shaped like a hat, the potential for corrosion of aluminium components is erased, since the alloy is kept to a safe distance from the other metals. It is inside that the XTs show their best features. The XTs were thought individually. Each model has specific characteristics that render it efficient within its own size.